What's up, techies? Josh here. This is my unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. I skipped out on getting the last year's model, the first generation, because I saw that price tag and I was just like, yeah, that's a bit too steep. But I'm biting the bullet this time. I heard a lot of good stuff about the first generation. It doesn't seem like there's too much different from last year, but being that I'm coming from a Series 7 Apple Watch, I think I'm going to enjoy this upgrade. I'm really excited about some of the accessories that I got planned to match up with this Apple Watch Ultra 2. For the most part, it's going to be all Nomad products, and if you know Nomad, if you've been around on the channel, I'm a big fan, high quality stuff, so be making some content with some Nomad products. Being that this is my first time getting the Apple Watch Ultra, if you have one, if you got some tips or tricks or anything that I need to know about, let me know down in the comments. I'm going to be making a review about this, about my experience with it, if it's worth that $800 price tag or not. It's kind of crazy to me that once I get the titanium Nomad band onto this watch, that I'm going to have about pretty much over $1,000 worth of product on my wrist. Like, that's crazy to me. Wow, things are just way too expensive these days, but let's see if it's worth it, right? I will say that you might be a little surprised if you have not updated your phone to the latest update. You will not be able to activate this watch or get it going until that update is there. Until then, let me know down in the comments what you want to know from me, and I will do my best to include that into any content that I make going forward about the Apple Watch Ultra 2.